Okay, everybody, this is my 1931 Ford Model A Town Sedan. This is the front door you are looking at. Right there. There is the kick panel removed. And here is kind of what I was suspecting. That's rattling around and really driving me bonkers. This is the door check. And you'll see here, right here is supposed to be a rubber pad. The back half is completely gone, so there's just a little bit here, and there's supposed to be a bumper on this end, and it is gone too. So let me show you what those are. This is what I got to replace them. They come in a pack of 2 each. I've already done one side and decided to make a video because now I know what I'm doing. This is the door check bumper, A702828R, and this is the door check arm pad, 32910. This is from Bratton's. This is from Snyder's. I like to support both my guys. Just so happens I ordered a couple different things from a couple different places. So let me show you how these are installed. Okay, so closing it, that looks like that fixed it. Yep, so that's plenty of clearance right there. So the offset side, the one with the least amount of space, goes facing the outside of the door, and that prevents this edge from hitting here like it had been. Then you take door check bumper, slide it over the end. Give yourself plenty of room. Take the original C-clip, drop it over the end. Oh, that's backwards. You have to take the retaining collar, put that on first. So that just has 2 little tabs that clamp down and hold the C-clip in. That goes down like that. Collar comes forward, hopefully. There she goes. Okay. Now all you need to do is bend those little tabs down without breaking them. There's one. There's another tab over here on the back side somewhere. There we go. All right, so that's not going to go anywhere. Then what you can do is pull this bumper forward, and that whole assembly, the C-collar, the C-clip and collar, fit in a recess. And now we'll close this. There's the finished unit. And that is rubber on sheet metal, and that is a lot better than metal on metal, which is what I was getting. I'll clean up all this, which is just dirt and grime. But I am really happy with that. Thanks, guys.